In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I installed this single crochet soft locks. So these crochet braids were individually installed, but first, let's get into the pattern style. So I used the free pattern method for this hairstyle. I have a video already uploaded on my channel. I would include it somewhere in the description, and you would also find the link showing up at the top bar of this video. You would see how I was able to pad out the mannequin hairs. If you are really interested in learning about the free pattern method, I will recommend you go back to watch that tutorial. As it's more detailed and it gives you like an idea on how you can pat an individual's hair, even though I use the mannequin. And in that video, I also promised that I was going to upload the soft lock tutorial, but I decided to upload this tutorial in place of the soft lock tutorial, just to show you one of the ways you can install your soft locks, I mean the crochet soft locks, without wrapping the hair. So if you have soft locks, crochet soft locks at home, this is one way you can style it and it will still look like an individually installed locks. The total number of crochet locks you may end up with depends on each individual's preference. So you can have a minimum of, say, for instance, 35, but that would be a bit more scanty. I ended up having a total number of 67 locks. So when we were done, I counted and we had a total number of 67 locks, which is a bit more fuller than what I would consider a medium, but I needed to make adjustments here and there to meet the look that we were trying to go for this protective style. In braiding out the natural hair before the installation process, I adopt the approach of using a combination of buzz braids and Senegalese twist or twists. I mean, twisting the natural hair in general. The reason why I love this method is one, it saves time. Two, it helps with the takedown process for the individual when they are ready to take down their hair. Three, I think using a combination of both helps to make sure that the natural hair is neatly tucked into the locks, because I've tried in the past to use twist and I didn't like the look at the end of the day. Maybe I might need to get more practice in, or maybe I need to figure out another method. But I am really open to hear if there are other methods that people have tried in the past. Please let me know in the comments. Like, I'm open to learning new approaches to styling different hairstyle. But I also mentioned that every stylist and every individual have their different approach when it comes to styling protective hairstyle. At the end of the day, I would say try out different methods and see what works for you. For the installation process, I recently learned a hack that has helped me, and I'm just going to quickly share. You know how previously, like, you would have the crochet braids by your side, and then you would have to turn at every point to like pick one, install, turn around, pick one, and install. So, this hack I learned is to stack up like the crochet into the crochet needle, and then after installing one crochet, you just need to pull out the next set of crochet from the pin and just continue. Once you're done with the crochet braid that are already stacked on the pin, all you need to do is to refill and continue this process. I think I like this approach, and going forward I have adopted this as one approach that I would use over and over again until I find a more effective way to manage my time and streamline the installation process for me. All right, friends, this is the final outcome. I hope you had a wonderful time watching this tutorial. Please do go ahead and style your hair, your loved one's hair, or even your client's hair. Tag me on Instagram. I would love to see the outcome of what you tried out based on the lessons you took from this tutorial.